No, no, don't touch.
Down.
Let it go. Let's watch. Let's see.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Uh-oh. It did not make it.
It's not without fault.
Whoa.
Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh, it's stuck. You gotta fix it, bud. You gotta fix it.
What's with that?
Gotta put it back on the tracks. All of them.
Was this never connected?
All good? It's not moving.
Go ahead. Oh,
Woo! Choo-choo! Whoa!
maybe we should make this leap a little more modest.
It's stuck, Sev. You gotta put it on the tracks.
It doesn't make it.
Whoa! Here we go. It's gotta go full steam.
Oh!
Oh! Let's try.
Dude.
Boom.
It's not gonna make it like that either.
Let's try.
See, though.
Is it all on the tracks? You gotta put it on the tracks, bud.
Hold on.
Here we go. Ready?
Whoa.
1,
Here we go, Sam.
3. Boom! Oh! 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 Boom! You gotta put it back on the track, buddy. You want to try?
Oh, yeah, let him hold the remote.
You gotta put it on the tracks. Here. You push this like this, and it'll move it. Push this way, and it'll move it. So your turn.
I don't know.
Ready? Go ahead. You gotta hold it down. Oh. It's going backwards, bud. Push it the other way. Other way, bud. No, push the button the other way. It's stuck. Uh-oh.
Push the button the other way.
There you go. You can just hold it down, bud.
He doesn't understand that concept. Well, I guess he does.
Uh-oh.
Go up, Sammy. Oh! Oh my God, that's sad. It struggled. It wanted to go up so bad. Wait.
Got a little light.
Oh, poor thing. You need some more.
Keep that away from your face, bud. Savvy. Away from your face.
Look at him, how intense he is right now. He's intense.
Stuck.
Look at that little button nose. Whoa! What's going on there? Timmy, he's stuck.
You gotta put it back on the train, bud.
What's up with him?
He's going the wrong way, I think.
Well, he keeps trying to go that way. I think it would be fine. Oh. I don't know, there's something off here with this.
Don't run with it, bud. Stuck.
Stuck like Chuck.
Cool, buddy. Whoa! All right, bud. Enough fun for Christmas Eve. Santa's got to come, or he's not going to come. You're not going to get any gifts.
Santa's waiting out in the cold. He's like, hurry up, Severin, go to sleep.
All right, buddy. You like your little Christmas train?
Let's try to flatten this out. Bring it closer to the ground. Maybe it'll work better. Can we try that?
Yeah, tomorrow.
All this work? Let's see if we can do it.
Midnight.